My name is Jessica Bradshaw.
Hi, I'm Steve Butler.
And I'm Valerie Butler.
Hi, I'm Brooke.
And I'm John.
I'm Sarah Campbell.
I'm David.
I am Susie McDaniels.
I'm Bob McDaniels.
We kind of came into our kitchen and renovation for functionality. The installation process was amazing. These guys came in, they draped plastic, they kept your home clean, they picked up when they left, and they did an amazing job keeping it all constrained within one area.
When I came into this wanting a new kitchen, the very first thing I realized is I wanted the kitchen to be very functional.
Walking into a design studio is always fun because you think you know what you want and then you get to see other things put together.
I love that it had so many different ideas. You had kitchens that were completely in white, there were kitchens in color, there was countertops made of concrete.
The studio is absolutely wonderful and there's every choice you could possibly have.
Impressive.
Wow, it was very nice.
Very nice. Very impressive.
Walking in the showroom was amazing.
Yeah, the showroom's
The
pretty nice.
showroom is outstanding.
To be able to see something in the showroom that gives a consumer something to look at and to visualize that particular product could go in our own surrounding.
You have to have that full idea of what a kitchen looks like in order to pick things that work for you.
I'd say the number one reason that we had such a good experience with Marcraft was honestly the responsiveness. They wanted to make sure that we were happy.
They were very detailed in their approach. They did what they said they were going to do.
The builder works a lot with Marcraft.
Yeah,
I was impressed with that.
We worked with a designer who gave us a lot of different options.
She was able to do 3D diagrams for us, renderings.
We were able to stay within our budget.
I think it was pretty easy to stay in our budget after seeing all the different possibilities at Marcraft.
We appreciated the fact that everything was up front and out in the open and on the table.
We got what we wanted and we didn't break the bank and it was wonderful. It really was wonderful. You're going to live with it for a long time and you know you need to decide that quality is the most important thing and it's going to last for a long time.
The kitchen worked beautifully.
It's a well-run company, it's well-respected, it's efficient.
The service that they bring with the product is equal, and that was impressive.
There's a downside to buying all this nice stuff, and Sarah's a little bit hesitant to cook. She's afraid she's going to get grease on the floor or something's going to get scratched.
I can recommend, I think you can recommend Marcraft, absolutely.
I would highly recommend Marcraft.
Oh gosh, we've already recommended Marcraft to our friends and family because we had such a great experience and we absolutely love our home.
I would absolutely recommend Marcraft. I've dealt with them twice now on 2 different occasions. I'm still extremely pleased with them. And if I had to do this over again, I would definitely call Marcraft again.